Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Book 5, The Flower Bank World. The same number of forest-shaped worlds, the same number of pennant-shaped worlds, the same number of womb-shaped worlds, the same number of geometrically shaped worlds, the same number of lotus blossom-shaped worlds, the same number of basket-shaped worlds, the same number of worlds shaped like living creatures, the same number of Buddha-shaped worlds, the same number of light aura-shaped worlds, the same number of cloud-shaped worlds, the same number of net-shaped worlds, the same number of door-shaped worlds. There are as many such as atoms in unspeakably many Buddha fields. Each of these worlds has as many enormous worlds as atoms in 10 Buddha fields surrounding it, each one also having as many worlds, the same as explained above. All of these worlds are in this boundless light of beautiful flowers, sea of fragrant waters, or in the rivers of fragrant water surrounding it. Then the enlightening being universally good also said to the great assembly, "East of this boundless light of beautiful flowers, sea of fragrant water, is another sea of fragrant water called repository of undefiled flames. It produces huge lotuses called beautiful adornments of diamonds with all scents. There is a world system resting on it called vortex of land shining everywhere. Its substance is the roaring sound of deeds of enlightening beings. At its bottom is a world called Palace Decoration Banner, square in shape, resting on a sea of ornaments of all precious stones, covered by clouds of webs of lotus light, surrounded by worlds as many as atoms in a Buddha field, all uniformly pure. The Buddha is named Brow Light illumining everywhere. Above this, past worlds as many as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Repository of Flowers of Virtue, spherical in shape, resting on a sea of flower pistils made of all kinds of pearls, covered by clouds of lion thrones with pearl banners, orbited by as many worlds as atoms in 2 Buddha fields. The Buddha is called Wisdom of the Ocean of All Boundless Truths.